Eric is out there getting his game on. Hey, Eric.
Hey, you know what? I had to come out here because there's video games out here. Everyone knows I'm a pinball player. I like gaming as well. But a mobile video game? This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. Ryan, tell us how you got this started and what's going on behind me.
Well, this is Rolling Video Games Fort Myers. It is the most state-of-the-art mobile gaming theater in all of Southwest Florida. And because it's mobile, one of the great things is we can bring it straight to the party. Nobody has to go anywhere. We deliver the party to them. So nobody has to worry about a single thing except having a great time.
So what's going on out here? I see Mario Kart. This looks like some sort of dance where we can actually dance outside.
Absolutely. We like to keep more of our active games outside. So we have Just Dance here and Mario Kart. This way everybody can get into the game a little bit more rather than be inside where it's a little bit more contained.
Let's take a look inside and show me what you have here. Now, I know there's no pinball machines, but you've got some pretty cool things in here. I saw 4 different monitors, a little question mark from the Mario game. I mean, I really like that. All right, let's go in and check it out. This is just really cool inside here. Oh, they have Pac-Man. I love Pac-Man.
Good morning.
Hey, and this is Nicole. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in here. This is like
So this
one of
is
those
where the
party
party
limousines.
is.
Party limousines,
It
right?
is. It's like a kid nightclub in here. So we have all the popular games for the kids, for the adults. We've got old school Pac-Man here. We've got virtual reality down at the end. And we're the only truck in Southwest Florida that has online gaming, which is Fortnite, which is huge with the kids. I'd say about 80% of our parties are online game parties. So we're it.
So what gave you this idea? I mean, this is an incredible thing you got going on
So
here. I love it.
We have 2 boys. They're 11 and 9 years old, and they are obsessed with video games, just like a lot of boys are. And you know, we follow their lead when it comes to video games. So they love it. We know their friends will love it. And
Okay, well, I want you to set me up with a game of Pac-Man.
All right, you're in.
That's about, you know, my mentality when it comes to video games. I can't do the Fortnite. So here we go. We're gonna attempt, as we send it back to the studio. Hopefully, we're gonna attempt to
all right,
play a little Pac-Man here. All right. At least I only have one button to go.
Right.
I'm usually.
Are we good?
We're good. We're rolling.
Hey guys, Lauren and Eric here. So the show is done, and if you tuned in this morning, you saw we had a very special guest. The O'Hare family was here, and they were talking about their mobile video games.
Can you believe this?
This is cool.
This is awesome. I mean, it looks like a food truck without the food, but with something better. Video.
Yeah, this is right up your alley. But really quickly, I want to bring Ryan in really fast. I'm trying to think what is less noisy, inside or outside.
Well, we like to get the volume cranking on the inside. Exactly. Yeah, that's where the party's really at. So,
So why don't you tell us a little bit about Rolling Video Games Fort Myers, really quickly.
we are a brand new family-owned business. We just opened up in July, and the feedback and support that we've gotten from the community has been absolutely awesome.
Aw.
And because we're mobile, we get to bring our party right to our customers. Exactly,
Yeah.
right to your doorstep. You don't have to do anything. There's no mess. There's no cleanup. There's no hassle. We just bring it to your door. Everybody has a great time, and then we're out of there.
What are some of the popular parties that you like, events that you go to?
We do a lot of birthday parties because our game truck offers Fortnite, and we also have virtual reality. So it's very, very popular with parents and the kids that we have Fortnite.
Do you
and
have to
virtual
kick them
reality.
out? Like, hey, it's
We do give them
Time's up.
we
See
do
ya.
give them a little warning. 10 minutes, guys. We're
I
only 10
got
minutes
the
left.
The people fighting this crisis have been ignored. But now, together, we finally have a voice and we cannot let this moment go.
Absolutely.
yeah.
Sure.
I'm gonna let you lead the way, Ryan. Do you want me to hold
There
you?
you go.
Let's see if I can
Ready to go?
not die here.
And what's another thing, Ryan, is you have 2 kids.
We do.
So you must be the cool parent from the block.
We have 2 young boys, and yes, they are very enthusiastic about us owning this game. So I can tell you that.
Wait, is he gonna get eaten? Hold on.
Oh, I want to get the cherry. Give me the cherry.
Oh.
We got the cherry. All right.
Not professional here.
No, not really.
This is hilarious. This is so Eric. I'm sure he talked to you earlier, but he is such a gamer, and he was so pumped. I was supposed to do the interview with you earlier, and he hijacked it.
Oh,
I
really?
did.
Yeah, he said that. He's like,
I said hello. Lauren do weather. I'm coming out here.
My God, do we have any questions rolling in? Anyone saying hi? You guys, if you have any questions about costs, where they go, or how far they can travel, please go in.
Please visit our website at rollingvideogamesfortmyers.com. It has all the information you'll want to know. You can also give us a call at 239-232-8444.
And I know we like this so much as adults. I could see like maybe if you want your employees to relax a little, do a little employee appreciation.
Yeah, little company team builder exercise or something like that. When we have a party, we have just as many adults in here having a blast as we do kids. So
I'm having a blast.
we really try to have something for everybody.
Lauren, we're still hanging in there. I'm in trouble. I gotta get out of here.
They're coming for you.
I know they are. They said we don't like your weather forecast.
Speaking of the weather, that's another great thing about the truck.
You took the words right out of my
Rain
mouth.
or shine, because we're inside. A little
Speaking
rain
of the
doesn't scare us
weather,
away.
you
And
should.
it's air conditioned. So it's nice.
Oh, I was so close.
Did you die?
Yeah, but I only need 2 more. Watch. You ready? Here we go. Oh! All right, Lauren, you want to try it?
Oh man.
Come
Okay.
on.
Team Eric or Team Lauren? Let us know in the comments below. Oh no.
How about we work together as a team?
No.
Did you talk about the virtual
I
reality?
just died already.
Lauren!
I already died.
Well, look, you still got another guy left.
Okay.
And you're close to the high score.
It's been a long time since I played video games, guys, okay?
There you go.
There's nothing
Get
else
that
you can talk
strawberry.
about.
Strawberry.
It's hard. It's a little hard to
It is,
maneuver.
right?
But once you get the hang of it. Oh, that same penguin got you. But it's fun, isn't it? This is awesome. And there's so many more games than just these 4 screens that you have. You've got what, 50, 60 games?
We have a huge game library, and we have divided up according to age. So if somebody wants to go on our website, we have all our games on there as well, and you can look at them and pick out your games before we even show up, and we'll have them all loaded up for you.
That's pretty cool.
And one of the greatest features is we have online gaming, which, as you know, Fortnite is the reign.
It's huge.
And we also have virtual reality.
So can you put Fortnite on 2 of these if kids
I
put
can
it?
put Fortnite
On
on
every
every
one of
of these televisions.
And Lauren,
And I can split screen them and put 2
you need
people on each one.
to set her up with the virtual reality
Oh, absolutely.
because it's really cool. It's
Are
like
we gonna lose connection? We're doing okay right now. We're doing okay. All right.
All right, you want to check this out?
I'll take a stab at it.
you're gonna see a lot of fish.
Want a fish?
Yeah, you're underwater.
Okay.
This is a lot of fun.
Okay, have a seat.
Oh, okay.
And look, we got some coins.
That's right. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, but wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. It's really cool.
Oh my god.
Now you are totally, completely immersed underwater in a shark dive.
Wait, I can't even see a shadow of you guys. Like, you're
Isn't that
gone.
crazy, Lauren? It's awesome.
You're gone. This is
So look around,
It's
Lauren. You
incredible.
can look behind you and up and down.
Anywhere. You are in the video game with virtual reality.
This is so weird.
It's incredible.
This is so weird. This is crazy cool though. Crazy cool.
I can imagine the kids really love this.
They do.
Yeah.
They go crazy for virtual reality.
Oh, there's something happening over here. I don't know what's going on.
No, that's just the door.
Is that pretty cool?
That is incredible. Wow.
Glad you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's one of our big hits is that we offer virtual reality.
I was about to say we should probably get back to work, but
You can spend all day here.
I know, huh?
really could. Okay.
Can
so,
we bring this every Friday?
Listen, roll top to the boss.
You know what? We've got room for a pinball right here.
There we go. Yeah, we can get a
While you guys are doing the video games, I'll hit the pinball and we'll never have a show.
Ryan, thank you so much for joining us this morning. on
Thank
Talk
you.
Sport
Thank
Morning
you for
Beer.
inviting us out.
And if you guys have any more questions, anything like that, ask in the comments below and I'll pass the message along. Happy weekend.
Once again, we're at rollingvideogamesfortmyers.com. Thank you, everybody.
Have a good weekend, guys.